Hey y'all, Chuck here from No Time to Be Sad. Hey, it's time for another Friday's edition of How To in Thailand.
Two of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Today I want to talk about how to pack for Thailand. The worst thing that you can do for packing in Thailand is overpack. Thailand, amongst all of its beauty, is a very simple, easy place to go, an easy place to travel. Transportation, clothing, tours, everything is very simple, very easy to find all throughout Thailand. So you really need to just pack light and just let it happen, because Thailand is very unpredictable. You may have a thought, I want to go here, and then maybe I want to go there and then go here. It's just easy like that to just kind of flow throughout Thailand. By bringing a lot of luggage and a lot of things really just kind of keeps you from being too flexible. So here's what I suggest bringing to Thailand. As far as bringing bathroom toiletry stuff, Thailand has decent razors. For men, this is probably the best razor that you can buy in Thailand. Not that it is actually the best, but for me, convenience is more important. And this one particular razor is not the cheapest in the bunch, but you can get a week to 2 weeks easily out of this razor. And they have the refills at every 7-Eleven, Lotus, Big C. It's easy to find the refills for the razor. Shaving creams, easy to find. Soaps, a lot of your hotels will have all that stuff, so I wouldn't try to bring a lot of bulky stuff unless you have some kind of allergy towards certain things and you have to bring these items. But I wouldn't even bring toiletries to Thailand. As soon as you get off of the plane in the airport, there's a 7-Eleven right there, and you can buy everything you need right there, easily. Exit service. SIM cards right when you get out. Clothing. It's hot. It's very hot in Thailand and very humid. I will say bring plenty of underwear, because you may have to shower multiple times during the day to refresh yourself. Use plenty of baby powder to help absorb the moisture, but don't bring heavy cotton clothing to Thailand if you plan on doing anything outdoors. I have a lot of thin stuff that I bought from like Walmart and Target, and it's really breathable, so you don't really take in a lot, and it dries quick. But with the thin stuff, you can easily wash it yourself. Don't bring a lot of clothing. I always just travel for I bring about 5 to 7 days worth of shirts. The shirts are thin, so they don't take up too much space. But you may want to buy shirts here. You can buy shirts anywhere between $3 and $10. You may not want to bring a lot because you may want to buy some. But you can buy these little detergent packets at 7-Eleven, and you can wash your own stuff, and you can hang it outside and it'll be totally dry by the time you wake up in the morning. Easy stuff to do. Or there's a lot, probably in the hotel you're staying or not very far from there, is a place that'll do your laundry for like almost no money. Go do what you need to do during the day, and when you come back, it'll be waiting for you. My suggestion is to bring a carry-on. Now I know you can bring a lot of luggage when coming. The airline usually allows you to bring a couple of big suitcases, but don't do it. Just bring a carry-on, and you could, if you want to buy a bunch of stuff and bring it back home, you can buy a big suitcase cheap. I'm sweating. You can buy a big suitcase cheap, and you can just give it away if you don't want the suitcase when you get home. Or you can bring a big suitcase and stick your carry-on bag inside that. I recommend making sure you carry all your valuables on your carry-on. Your cameras, your laptops, your phones and stuff like that. Don't leave them in the bag at the scrutiny of the customs agent or whoever's checking your baggage. Just make sure you have it on your person with you. Bring a good pair of walking shoes. You can buy quality shoes in Thailand, but they are very expensive, and the ones that aren't are not real. So You can buy quality shoes here in Thailand, but I recommend bringing a good pair of sandals and a good pair of walking shoes. But all that stuff, especially sandals, are all over. Bathing suits. So you can buy, they sell bathing suits everywhere in Thailand, especially if you're a female, that's no problem. The men's bathing suits don't have the netting inside, so you may want to bring your own bathing suit, unless you're this guy.
I wear Speedos. When I'm at the beach, you see me wear my Speedos. I am feeling fresh like I'm an ad for Mentos. I wear Speedos. When I'm doing cardio, I'm wearing Speedos. Why do people look at me when I'm wearing my Speedos? Boarding shorts, man, I hate those.
No. Of course, you can buy that bathing suit at any women's department store in Thailand, if that's what you choose. But if you carry light, you pack light, you can easily get around the multiple options that Thailand has to offer very inexpensively, and then you can just wash your own clothes and fold them. By request, I've been requested to show you guys how I fold my clothes. It was something that I didn't really learn in the military like everybody thought. It's just from traveling a lot, and I wanted to learn how to be more efficient. So this is what I learned and what I came up with, and I'll share you how to quickly fold and pack a t-shirt. Okay guys, here's how we're gonna do it. It's real easy. We're just gonna draw a line from right here all the way to here. Then you're gonna take your left hand, you're gonna grab your shoulder, and then you're gonna grab the center right here on that line, pinch it, then take this one, go over, grab this corner right here, and then just pull it apart, take it, fold it, and then you're done. Or you can do a little bit more if you want, however you want to do it. But that's it. So let's try it again fast. Done. Anyway guys, I hope you got some information from that. Pack light, be flexible, enjoy your trip to Thailand. Don't worry about it. Thailand has almost everything you need, especially in Bangkok. Come for the adventure, come for the fun, be safe, be smart. If you like the video, please always don't forget to click like. I appreciate that. And subscribe, we have a lot of videos coming up. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.